Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you what vibe coding is and how you can build a real website from scratch using Cloud Code. No programming experience required. By the end of this video, we'll upload the Lingolib project we built together to GitHub and publish it online with Vercel. So let's not waste any time, let's get started. What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a way of building an app or website without knowing how to program or by writing minimal code, simply by explaining what you want to an AI like ChatGPT, Cloud, Cursor, and so on. We're going to build a real app together from scratch. No programming experience or technical knowledge required. And by the end of this video, the app we will build will be live on the internet and anyone will be able to access it. Today, we are going to build a language learning website called Lingolib. First, we create a new folder, vibe coding website. Then this creates a brand new Unix.js project for us from scratch. Once set up this completely, we install the Anthropic AI SDK into the project. This package lets us connect Cloud AI to our app. Then we start Cloud Code by simply typing Cloud in the terminal. Next, I switch Cloud into plan mode and write a prompt explaining to the AI how the app should be built. Here we tell Cloud which page and which features our site will have. Once Cloud has prepared the plan, we review it. In plan mode, Cloud doesn't write any code. It only thinks and explains to us what it will build and how. If the plan works for us, we exit plan mode, give Cloud permissions, and each start writing the code. Once the project is built, we run the npm run dev command and review our site at localhost 3000. So localhost 3000 means the website isn't on the internet yet. It is only running on your own computer. Now let's move on to the AI chat page. To build this, we first go to Anthropic website, get an API key. Then we add that key to the project's .env.local file. This file stores the project's secret information. Next, we review the redeemed.md file. This file explains how the project is set up, how it's run, and how it's used. Our website doesn't have a folder called levels yet. That's why I want to add this section. First, we right-click on the app folder, select new folder, and name the new folder levels. Then, inside the app/levels folder, we create a new file and name it page.tsx. After opening the file, the first thing we do is import the link component at the top. The link component is used to move between pages. Next, we send this prompt to the Cloud Code terminal. Cloud reads the prompt, analyzes the existing project design, and fills in the file automatically. The dev server refreshes automatically. And now we can see the beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. The next step is making the design more professional. For this, we go to the Dribble website and look at AI agency designs. I'm choosing this design, but you can pick any different design you like. Then we go to the Stitch website. We upload a screenshot of the design we chose. Stitch AI analyzes the image and automatically creates a design.md file. Here the color palette, font system, and component structure are generated ready to use. Now we add that design.md file to our project. We give Cloud Code a prompt like this. Cloud analyzes all the files in the project and update the colors, fonts, and components to match the new design system. This way, our website becomes both functional and professional looking. The next step is uploading the project to GitHub and putting it online. First, we create a new repository on GitHub and name it Lingolib. Then we run these commands in the VS Code terminal: git init, git add, git commit, git branch, git remove, git push. Once the push is complete, the entire project is uploaded to GitHub. Now let's move on to Vercel. We select add a new project. We import the Lingolib repository we created on GitHub. Without changing any extra settings, we just click the deploy button. Congratulations, you've deployed your project. Our project is now accessible over the internet. So we started from scratch and turned our idea into a working website. We uploaded the project to GitHub, published it with Vercel, and now anyone can use it over the internet. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. In the next videos, we'll build even more interesting projects with Cloud Code, AI tools, and vibe coding. Thanks for watching. See you next time.